Hi guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to make chocolate chip cookies. Here are the ingredients. So you're going to need, a recipe is about an hour. Preheat your oven to 350. Now you're going to microwave 1 cup of butter till it gets soft. So about like 30 seconds. Done right here. Okay, scoop all of it out, put it into a bowl. You're gonna want to put your brown sugar and your sugar. Now you're gonna add your 2 eggs one at a time while it's mixing, just like that. Then we're gonna add the other one right here. It's the consistency you want. Now you're gonna add 2.5 tablespoons of vanilla extract while it's mixing. Here's the consistency. Now you're gonna get a little hot water, about 2 tablespoons. Add 1 tablespoon of baking soda. And once you add your baking soda and start mixing it with the half teaspoon of salt, it's gonna start kind of bubbling. See here, once I mix it, you're gonna add that into your bowl full of the eggs, brown sugar, butter, and white sugar. Let it mix for a couple seconds. Then you're gonna add your 2 cups of chocolate chips. I'd put semi-sweet. That works the best for me. Now you're gonna add 3 cups of flour while mixing. Good consistency, very doughy, kind of thick. Now you're gonna get the dough. You're gonna roll it into balls, and then get a pan with some parchment paper and flatten them on it. Now put this into your oven that's been preheated to 350 Fahrenheit, and you're gonna let it bake for about 15 minutes. Okay, once that's over, you're gonna set it on a surface that's okay for hot, and enjoy.